realize that like in a lot of countries there's this culture like you're my coworker, you're not my friend.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean that
I'm
is it.
like they're like, oh yeah, maybe I'll go grab a beer with you once every month, but you're never gonna be my friend like that.
We're never gonna meet. Yeah, we're never gonna reach
And I
that level.
and I
Yeah,
feel that approach kind of just limits it because you spend 8 hours a day with that person.
yeah.
You spend probably more time awake with that person that you'll spend with your girlfriend or your kids. And
That's
you
true.
still consider that person just a stranger. For me, that is amazing.
Just a cool, yeah, just a cool worker. I think because I mean, again, it comes to people's view on work, on like what do they view work as? Like, is it somewhere they just go because they have to, or do they go because like they feel that there's something like positive that they can get out of it?
Yeah.